This is Biotronix air compression therapy device, digital model, 4 chamber with remote control. And the attachments will be 2 legs attachment, 1 waist attachment, 1 arm attachment, and these are the connecting tubes. You can see this is the device, how it looks like. This is the touch panel. Here are you can see 6 modes are there, A, B, C, D, E, F. You can touch and select any of the mode you want, D, E, F. And these are 4 chambers. You can use all the chambers, but if you want to switch off any of the chamber, then you have to click on the same. Like I have switch off the chamber 1, I have switch on the off the chamber 3, switch on the chamber 1, switch on the chamber 3. Any of the chamber you can select according to your need. And this is the timer display. You can increase the timer with 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 minutes in the multiple of 10. This is the pressure range from lowest to highest, 30 to 250. You can increase or decrease the same using this touch button. Decreasing the same. All the features features on the panel you can also get the same control with the help of this remote. You can increase or decrease the pressure. You can switch on or switch off the position 1, 2, 3, 4 this chamber, and you can start or stop, or you can set the time from this remote. You have to place the cell in the same, and then you can use the same. And this is the user manual for the same, and these are the field of application where you can use the DVT air compression therapy device. You can use the same in lymphedema, you can use the same in limb paralysis, you can use the same in fat dissolution, you can use the same in RA, and you can also use the same for varicose vein, or all these diseases mentioned over here. And these are the modes A, B, C, D, E, F. Here in the A mode, first channel chamber 1 is getting inflated, then chamber 2, then chamber 3, then for like sequence line. While in the other modes, these are different from the same. The same can be seen over here in the manual. And these are the extensions provided. These are the leg sleeves. Leg sleeves, we have 2 leg sleeves. If the size of the leg is bigger than the size of the cuff, then you can use the extension to get the size extended and use for the bigger leg. So this is a complementary leg extension in the same. While the other model in the market don't provide the same, they are also having 3 modes only. We are having 6 modes, and these leg extensions is also there. And these are the connecting tubes, all the connecting tubes to connect the same. These connecting tubes get inserted in the same. This is the waist attachment. This tube got replaced over here like this, and then you can use the machine.